How to make a game pass on Roblox mobile. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make a game pass on Roblox mobile. First of all, you need to open up the web browser in your mobile device. Then search for roblox.com in the browser and open up the Roblox site right here. After that, click to continue using Roblox in the browser. Once you get into its account and tap on the Create option from the top bar, it will take you to Creator Hub, and from here, you will find several games right here. You can tap on any of the following games for which you want to create a game pass. Now, you will see your picked games in here, so you need to right-click on it and choose the Manage Experience from here. Then click on Menu from the top left corner of the dashboard. Now scroll down in the dashboard and choose the Passes option from here, and you can create a pass from here. After that, you can create a game pass here by entering the name and description of the pass. Once you're done, click on the Create Yes button, and your game passes will be created successfully. Also, check out our video on how to see if someone viewed your Roblox profile. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.